My video tutorial is dedicated to help you get rid of the malicious pop-up windows by the website skintephonthis.co.in. Skintephonthis.co.in is a dangerous site that may attack Google Chrome browser and other browsers. Skintephonthis.co.in tries to make you download and install some potentially unwanted software. Some other versions of these pop-ups may simply trick you into clicking on some button and as a result the browser may be redirected to some other malicious websites that may eventually infect the computer with malware. To sum up, pop-ups by this site skintephonthis.co.in are dangerous and you should not interact with them. Instead, just leave this deceptive page. I also recommend you to research the computer with Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the website combocleaner.com. So download the application, install the software, and once it gets successfully installed, start researching the system to detect and eliminate other threats from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.